Hi, I'm Parker, and today I am going to be doing a video on my new cat named Cheeto. So as you can see, this is Cheeto, my new kitten. I got him today, and this is his little room. I'll just show you it. So down here I have one of his toys. It is a mouse that jingles. And there's his water and food bowl. And here's the litter box. And it has the scooper. And this is a bathroom, but we made it like the cat room where Cheeto is gonna live. So this is a blanket here. And down here we have the bed, which in there's a little toy. And the scratching post, so I can like scratch it and also turn this. And there's Cheeto's other toy. So now I'm just going to show you a slideshow of pictures of Cheeto. Okay, I hope you liked that slideshow of pictures. So anyway, please like and subscribe to this video, and I will see you all later. Bye!